All right, this is our video for Friday, May 1st. And our objective today is to review for your quiz, which you'll be taking in just a few minutes. So this week we've been reviewing Chapter 6. And on Monday, you reviewed solving by factoring. Tuesday, you used that skill of solving by factoring and leading coefficient tests and so forth to graph some of these pretty polynomials by hand. Wednesday, we reviewed long and synthetic division. And then on Thursday, you used long and synthetic division or R synthetic division to solve completely. All of your work was due last night by midnight. And so today you're going to have a quiz over your review of Chapter 6. All right, so you had basically 4 worksheets. And so if you want to pause the video and go through and check your answers, here is Monday's worksheet. Here is Tuesday, and on Tuesday, every one of them had, the first 2 had extended graphs. Notice I have the in behavior, the y-intercept, the x-intercepts are your solving, and then in the t-chart, put in some x values in the gaps. Number 2, we have the graph there, and these were really, really large, so I have the dotted line. Number 3 wasn't too bad. Again, in behavior, y-intercept, x-intercepts. And for the gap between -2 and 2, you can use your y-intercept, 0, -12. And then I put in -2.5 and use my calculator to get 1.125. Wednesday was a review of your long and synthetic division. So 1 and 2 were long division. And then 3 and 4 were your synthetic. Be sure and change this to x equals. So this should be -2. And this should be +4 because of a little minus right there. And then on Thursday, you had 3 problems where you had to divide and then continue the solving process. And so there are the answers for 1 and 2. And 3 and 4, we threw in some imaginary numbers. All right, just want to remind you that Zoom will be at 9:30 today. And so you can join me and ask me any questions, and I'll open up the quiz at 10 o'clock. And it's going to be a normal quiz, so be sure and email me clear pictures of your work, please.